Hi there, sweet friends. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen, and I'm going to do a quick little intro here, and then I'm going to share about 7 to 8 minutes of a video that I filmed while I had laryngitis over the weekend. And you guys, I really want you to know how much I feel like if I don't put out something, a video, I'm letting you all down. Because I so much enjoy filming for all of you, and you're my friends. And so I'm in the kitchen. I've been sick literally since the last time I said my last video. When I said goodbye on that video, I literally started to feel really sick. And so it's been a week. And my husband is like, Karen, what are you doing? And I'm like, I couldn't talk. So I sounded like a seal. I mean, it was so bad. It was exhausting to try to even speak. It was so bad. So I'm writing down to him, I'm going to make some homemade chicken noodle soup. It'll make me feel good, and I might as well just film it for my friends. And he's like, why don't you just rest? I'm like, I can't. So I can. I trust me. I totally took it easy and rested, but I still wanted to just give you something. So I did, and took naps in between, but so I do want to share like about 7 or 8 minutes of footage, and then I'm going to get back on here and just share some stuff with all of you, because now that I've got my voice back, I'm so excited. Though everyone's telling me, Karen, you need to take it easy because your voice has been, had laryngitis. You need to just rest your voice box a little bit. So I know that. That's why hence I've got my lovely tea we're going to talk about here in a minute. It's so good. And okay, so let's go ahead. We're going to roll the footage. I did add text because I wasn't sure when I was going to be getting my voice back. So you can read how I anticipated putting this video out without me talking whatsoever. So enjoy the next 7 to 8 minutes, and I'll be right back. Well, I hope that you enjoyed that video, that portion of today's video. I have to tell you, making those strawberries, I was so excited about that. And it happened to be a nice afternoon. I was just laying out there resting, having some vitamin D, hoping it was going to make me feel better when I didn't have a voice. And the strawberries were only in for about an hour and a half, and I came in to check them, all excited to flip them. And I'm like, oh. And Mark's like looking at me, I'm like, anyway, so that was a huge flop. I also tried making later the next day for all of you a recipe that I found, and it was blueberry donuts. They, first of all, were the biggest flop, and like they were gross, like so gross, like, oh. So I just deleted that entire footage. I'm like, maybe it's God's way of telling me, girl, you need to, honey, you need to rest. So I did rest. But anyway, so I wanted to share all that with all of you. But there are a few things I do want to share with you that I did order and I got while I was not feeling well, but they made me feel better a little bit here. So you guys know how much I love tea and I love strawberries. This tea is so good, my friends. It's by Harney and Sons, and it's strawberry milkshake. So good, so good. So anyway, highly recommend this. I'm gonna try to do like a sun tea, though we're supposed to get some rain today. And to be honest with you, friends, this has been the ugliest, rainiest, grayest spring ever. But this weekend, it's supposed to be beautiful, so let's keep our fingers crossed. But anyway, Harney and Sons strawberry milkshake. I'll link it for you. So good. It's made me smile over the weekend while I was feeling down and had zero voice. And another thing is, I'm one of these people that if I'm blue or whatever, what always picks me up is a new shade of lipstick. I am the biggest fan of Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks. They are so, to me, they're hydrating. I just love them. And this shade here, and oh my goodness, I don't have my glasses. All right, this one is Pillow Talk Medium. I have it on today. I have the original Pillow Talk. I have the Pillow Talk Fair, but I can't believe that I never had the medium. And I have to tell you, I'm so excited when I got it that it was this color, and I wasn't sure. I'm like, why am I like, you know, I keep trying to find that perfect little bit darker shade, especially in the summertime. I feel like when you wear a nude, it washes me out, especially if I have a little color. And this is perfect. I absolutely love it. So Pillow Talk Medium. It's going to be hard to tell from this far away. I'll try to do a close-up of it, but I do have it on today with Makeup Forever, no, oh shoot, Whenever, I think it's Whenever Walnut Lip Liner. So that's what I have on today. And then my last little thing I wanted to share with you that just also I'm loving is, you know, I love my Apple Watch, and I had a gold band that I was wearing for the longest time, and it just started to look icky. So I just went back to wearing one of the Apple Watch bands, like the rubber ones, for a while, and I just don't even like that look. But I am loving this watch band. It is so beautiful, and what I love about it, friends, is you can just very easily take off each like link. It's so easy to adjust it to your wrist, and I do have little wrists, and I think it's so gorgeous. So I'll try to do like a close-up of it. I just think it's absolutely beautiful, and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So anyway, it just ups the game a little bit, and I love gold, and it just makes my jewelry look a little prettier, even though I don't have really much on today. Oh yeah, I just remembered something. When I was on my trip in Florida for the girls' trip, excuse me, I treated myself to this beautiful ring. And if you've watched the channel, which reminds me, I do have to pull my bracelet out. This ring is by Uno de 50. I love that brand of jewelry. And you can wear this all day, all night, in the pool, whatever, and it still looks absolutely gorgeous. and I love it. And I've got another one on my wish list. Maybe I'll ask for my birthday, which is coming up at the end of July. But I absolutely love this ring, and I get a lot of comments on it and compliments, so I thought I would share this with all of you. So Uno Day 50, if I can find it for you, I will link it. One, like I said, one of my favorite brands, and we have a store near us that does sell it. I'm going to go and check and see if they do have the other ring that I have been eyeing that is just so beautiful. So anyway, friends, I just want to let you know that I think of you all the time, even when I'm not feeling good. And you know, you're my friends, and I know you look forward to seeing videos, and I never want to disappoint. And even though this is a day late, so thank you so much for just hanging in there with me and waiting an extra day. And now that I am feeling definitely on the flip side, and like I said, got my voice back, I'm going to start right into my next video. And I just have a lot of great things. And again, it's going to be a beautiful weekend, even though my next video is going to come out in a few days. I don't think it's going to be nice yet. I don't know. Regardless, I'm excited to spend some time with all of you, and I'm glad I'm feeling better, and I'm glad that that you're here. And I sure hope, if you haven't subscribed yet, that you will subscribe to my channel. And let's enjoy the summer together and some friendship. Love you all, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.